Welcome to my channel. We have this question here to solve. To solve completely, x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0 using factorization method. Let's put down here solution. I bring the question down here. X squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. Here, this is quadratic equation, and we are to solve this using factorization method. Whenever you have this type of quadratic equation and you are to use this method, come direct to the constant here, which is 12. Look for two possible factors of 12 so that when you multiply, it will give you plus 12 here. And when you sum up these two same factors, it will give you minus 7, which is the coefficient of x. Then here, let's say let these factors be 4 and 3, but you want it in such a way that when you sum it also, it will give you minus 7. If you multiply this plus 4 times plus 3, it will give you plus 12. But if you sum it up, plus 4 plus 3, it will not give you minus 7. Then in that case, these factors will be negative. We have a minus 4 and minus 3. Now, these two factors is their sum will give you minus 7. In that case, we are going to represent or replace the sum of minus 3 and minus 4 with minus 7. Then in that case, the equation becomes x squared minus 4, you attach x to it, x 4x minus 3x plus 12 equals 0. Now the next step here is for you to factorize it by grouping. We are going to group this into two parts. That is, we have x squared minus 4x in group minus into 3x plus 12 equals 0. Now in the first bracket, x is common. That's why we are going to factor out x. And we have here x into x minus 4. Then also minus in the second bracket, 3 is common. Then as such, we are going to factor out 3. And we have here 3 into x. 12 divided by minus 3, that will give us minus 4. Then this equals 0. And the equation becomes here, since the two brackets are alike, you're going to pick out one and pick the two external factors, which are x and minus 3. And you are going to have here into x minus 3, then into x minus 4 equals 0. Then here, it is either this equals 0 or this equals 0. And we have here x minus 3 equals 0 or x minus 4 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 3 or x equals 4. And these are the possible solution to this equation. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.